Start talking. Thank you very much. You guys did a great job. Those of you who weren't here for our assembly this afternoon, my name is Rick Hartman. I think this is about the 6th year I've been coming to Stevenson. It's always an honor and a pleasure to work with you fabulous students, staff, and families. This afternoon we had so much fun. We had a show that was all about one of my favorite subjects, math. And we used all kinds of math to build a toy. We used measurement, we used problem solving, we used geometry, we used probability, we used numbers, and we used patterns. And in the end, a very magical toy emerged. And I hope you'll ask your students about that later tonight. It's so great to see such a big audience. And I'm so happy that we got to schedule our event with the book fair. And I'd encourage everyone after our workshop to visit the book fair. Maybe you'll find some good books about math and science or other subjects that you like. I also want to say a very big thank you to the incredible Stevenson PTA who helped organize today's event, who's helping to pay for today's event, and who does so much here at Stevenson on behalf of our students. So can we say thank you to our PTA? Well, I'm curious to know from students what they will most remember about math from today's assembly. What will you remember about math from today's assembly? Yeah. Oh, you gotta talk really loud and look at me. You'll remember the giant thing we did at the end. What will you remember about math? Yes. That we made a person. What will you remember about math? Yeah. Doing the puzzle, that's right. What will you remember about math? Making a pattern. And I'm glad you bring up pattern. You can put your hands down. Because tonight's toy is all about pattern. In fact, it comes from our assembly this afternoon, and it involves a little person who I like to call Ice Cream Spoon Man. But on the back we have Ice Cream Spoon Girl as well. There's two people, and you know, they have a favorite place they like to go. They have their own playground, in fact, just for ice cream spoon people. And one of their favorite activities at their playground is a very special slide. And this is an example of the